If you are looking for the best 3D printers, then you are on the right place. Alltech researches, analyzes and then makes a list about best 3D printers based on quality, price, features, and user feedback. Our today's video about best 5 3D printers that are available in the market. Hope this video helped to make your decision easier. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentions in this video, you may check the link in description box below. And now let's continue. Starting at number 5, Anycubic Photon Mono 3D Printer. The Anycubic Photon Mono is an MSLA resin 3D printer that offers fast print speeds, highly detailed models, and a seamless user experience at a very affordable price. With a per layer cure time of about 2 seconds, the Photon Mono is capable of printing tall, highly detailed parts quickly while offering a seamless print preparation experience with the included Photon Workshop software. Features of this item: low cost, high quality prints from the 2K LCD. Mono LCD screen prints parts quickly. Photon Workshop Slicer app is easy to use. Now number 4, FlashForge Finder 3D Printer. The FlashForge Finder 3D printer is moderately priced and offers good print quality, but it proved tricky to get up and running in our tests. It proved surprisingly tricky to get up and running, as the first several test prints didn't adhere to the build platform. After some troubleshooting, however, the Finder proved to be a reasonably reliable 3D printer that can produce good quality print. Features of this item: slide-in build plate, 3.5-inch full-color touchscreen, non-heated build plate, Wi-Fi, USB, and flash drive connectivity. Number 3, LultSpot Mini 3D Printer. The LultSpot Mini 3D printer is amazingly easy to set up and use, can print with a wide variety of filament types, and made it through our tests without a single misprint. Key features of the LultSpot Mini: compatible with many filament types, compact design, heated print surface, open source design and software, plug and play functionality. The LultSpot Mini is easy to set up and start using immediately. No need to put anything together or work through complicated assembly manuals. Number 2, Dremel DigiLab 3D45 3D Printer. Dremel DigiLab 3D45 award-winning 3D printer, iPad compatible, network friendly, built-in HD camera, heated build plate. The Dremel DigiLab 3D45 is featured packed, prints accurately, and comes loaded with powerful software, making it one of the best 3D printers we've tested. Features of this item: reliable and precise printing, network friendly, heated build plate, automated 9-point leveling system. Built-in HD camera allows monitoring prints from anywhere when using the cloud software. And now number 1, Creality Ender 3 Pro. The Creality Ender 3 is our last and top recommended D printer. The Creality Ender 3 is an open source, DIY kit 3D printer that is ideal for beginners looking to get started in 3D printing or professionals looking to create an inexpensive fleet of printers for manufacturing. About this item: beginner-friendly assembly process, highly accessible and modifiable frame, simple first-party app offers solid print quality, removable build surface plate, resume print function. This easy-to-set-up kit comes partially assembled, allowing you to learn about the basic construction of 3D printers as you finish putting it together. However, you need to purchase the correct one as indicated by your necessities. If you think this video is helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming videos. If you have any more suspicions or inquiries, get in touch with us in our comments section. Our specialists will reply to you immediately. Thank you for watching this video.